Welcome to Best Choice. The best Grotrax Quick Fix is probably one of the most innovative lawn solutions I've come across. If you're tired of patchy grass, bare spots, or the endless cycle of seeding and watering, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Grotrax Quick Fix Roll, a revolutionary product designed to give you a lush, green lawn with minimal effort. Get ready to transform your yard with this amazing product. Number 5. Revlon Face Roller for Oily Skin. This Revlon Face Roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil. It helps you achieve a shine-free look effortlessly. It removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup. This allows you to stay flawless throughout the day. You can use it on clean skin at home or to mattify on the go. Its compact design makes it perfect for quick touch-ups. Made from real volcanic stone, this roller quickly banishes shine. Unlike blotting papers, it's reusable and washable. Need a refill? Swap roller balls quickly and conveniently with the Revlon Facial Roller Refill Pack. No need to repurchase handles. What we like. This roller instantly mattifies your skin and absorbs oil, giving you a shine-free look. It's reusable and washable, making it a sustainable choice. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to control shine throughout the day, this is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to use. The grass grew quickly. It works great. Number 4. Easy at Home THC Urine Drug Test Kit, 15-pack. This home THC testing kit helps you monitor THC levels in your urine. Regular testing allows you to track the decrease in THC, providing an easy and affordable way to oversee your detox progress. This test detects THC metabolites in urine, even up to 5+ days after consumption. The kit complies with all applicable regulations, ensuring a reliable and trustworthy result. Test conveniently and privately from the comfort of your home. It's perfect for those going through a detox program, preparing for a pre-employment screening, or just random testing. Simply dip the test into urine for 10 seconds. Bold lines appear instantly. 2 lines indicate a negative result, while only the control line means it's positive. This kit is designed for human urine only. Testing with other substances, like water, will likely produce incorrect results. Always follow the instructions carefully for accurate outcomes. What we like. This kit helps you track your THC detox progress at home. It's easy to use and provides fast results, giving you peace of mind. If you are preparing for a drug test or simply want to monitor your THC levels, this is a convenient and private solution. What people say. Grotrax Quick Fix Roll is very easy to use. The grass grew very quickly. It is a great product for repairing spots in the lawn. Number 3. Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Are you tired of enlarged pores and dull skin? This exfoliant is designed to gently remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. It helps reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. This product also targets wrinkles and fine lines. The formula helps to diminish the appearance of aging signs. Use it regularly for a more youthful look. Dealing with blackheads can be frustrating. This liquid exfoliant is specially formulated to address blackhead-prone skin. It penetrates deep to clear out impurities. Worried about harsh chemicals? This product is gentle and fragrance-free. It's suitable for sensitive skin. You can incorporate it into your routine without irritation. See the difference with regular use. This exfoliant helps to improve skin texture and tone. Incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for best results. What we like. This liquid exfoliant uses BHA to gently exfoliate your skin, reducing the appearance of pores and wrinkles. It's fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. If you have blackhead-prone skin or are looking to improve your skin's texture, you should consider it. What people say. Skin started getting smoother and then pores looked somewhat smaller. Started seeing changes in hyperpigmentation and smoothness of my skin. I saw changes within a few days of use. Number 2. Scott's Quick Fix Mix, Fast Growing Grass Seed. This is Scott's Quick Fix Mix, the fast way to cover bare spots in your lawn. It's designed for quick, temporary repair, making your lawn look great in no time. This grass seed mix is perfect for temporary fixes in areas with full sun. The coarse bladed texture provides good coverage, though it has low drought resistance. For best results, use this product in the spring or fall. It's ideal for providing ground cover and repairing those unsightly bare spots in your yard. You won't have to wait long to see results. The seeds germinate quickly, usually within 4 to 7 days, so you can enjoy a greener lawn sooner. A single 3 pounds bag of this product covers up to 500 square feet. It's an easy and effective solution for a quick lawn refresh. What we like. This grass seed mix is designed for quick, temporary repair of bare spots in your lawn. It germinates quickly, providing ground cover in just days. If you need a fast solution to cover up those unsightly bare patches, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use. The grass grew quickly. It worked great. Number 1. Men's pocket underwear with front stash pocket, 2 packs, blue. This is the perfect underwear for the modern man. It features a discreet front stash pocket, ideal for keeping small essentials safe and secure. The innovative design includes a hidden pocket, offering a secure place to store your valuables. You can keep your items close without anyone knowing. Made for comfort, this underwear is designed for everyday wear. The soft fabric and practical pocket make it a must-have for any man's wardrobe. Get 2 pairs of these amazing underwear in a classic blue color. It's a great value for a practical and stylish product. With this underwear, you're always prepared. It combines comfort, security, and convenience, making it the ideal choice for any situation. What we like. These pocket underwear feature a secret front stash pocket for discreet storage. They offer a comfortable fit and are perfect for travel or everyday use. If you like having a secure and hidden place to keep small essentials, you should consider this. What people say. Grotrax Quick Fix Roll is very easy to use. The grass grew very quickly. It is a great product for repairing spots in the lawn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.